Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure Chrome or the Google app is ready and you're signed in. This gives Lens access to your images. Once done, install the official Lens extension or pin Google Photos in your browser so you can open files quickly. Make sure the extension has permission to read images and that file access is enabled. This prevents permission errors later. You're setting the foundation so the recognition step runs smoothly and returns accurate results. Now you feed an image to Lens and choose what you need: text extraction, translation, visual search, or shopping links. You click the Lens icon or right-click an image and select Search Image with Google Lens, then draw or resize the selection box over the target area. After that, use the suggested actions: copy text, translate, or open similar items so you can paste, research, or buy. Make sure to refine the crop if results include irrelevant elements for cleaner output. To finish, export the extracted text, links, or product info to your clipboard, Google Drive, or a document. You want a persistent copy. Make sure to save any annotated images for reference. If recognition is weak, crop tightly and increase contrast before retrying because Lens performs better on clear input. If Lens stops working, reload the page, clear extension cache, or re-upload the original image. These steps resolve most hiccups so you can continue without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.